Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Lakeside Beach is a quiet coastal area on the eastern side of Prince Edward Island, just north of the small community of West St. Peters. It is known for its long stretch of sandy shoreline, warm summer waters, and peaceful setting along the Gulf of St. Lawrence. The beach is a popular destination for both local residents and visitors looking to enjoy one of the island's natural landscapes. The surrounding area is sparsely populated, with only a few hundred people living in nearby communities year-round. During the summer, the population increases as seasonal homeowners, campers, and tourists arrive to enjoy the beaches and nearby attractions.
Thank you very much.
Fishing has long been one of the most important industries in this part of Prince Edward Island. Local harvesters catch lobster, snow crab, mussels, and other seafood that supports both the local economy and export markets. Agriculture is also a major employer, with nearby farms producing potatoes, grain, hay, and other crops that contribute to the province's reputation as one of Canada's leading farming regions. Tourism provides another important source of income. Visitors come for the beaches, golf courses, provincial parks, hiking trails, and scenic coastal drives. Long before European settlement, the area was home to the Mi'kmaq people, who traveled throughout Prince Edward Island for thousands of years. They used the coastline for fishing, hunting, gathering food, and transportation by canoe. Today, the Mi'kmaq continue to play an important role in preserving the island's indigenous history and cultural traditions. European settlers began arriving in greater numbers during the 18th and 19th centuries. Scottish, Irish, English, and Acadian families established farms and fishing communities throughout eastern Prince Edward Island. Small settlements developed around sheltered harbors and fertile farmland, creating many of the communities that still exist today. The coastline around Lakeside Beach has always been shaped by the forces of nature. Wind, waves, and winter ice continually reshape the dunes and shoreline. Native grasses help stabilize the sand, while conservation efforts work to protect these fragile ecosystems from erosion and heavy foot traffic. Healthy dune systems also provide important habitat for many plants and animals. Birdwatchers often visit this area because it attracts a wide variety of species throughout the year. Piping plovers, which are considered an endangered species in Canada, nest on some Prince Edward Island beaches during the summer. Protected nesting areas help improve their chances of survival, while allowing people to continue enjoying the coastline responsibly. The waters along this coast are relatively warm compared with many other parts of Atlantic Canada. Shallow sandy beaches allow the sun to heat the water during the summer months, making Prince Edward Island one of the country's most popular destinations for beach vacations. Calm conditions also make the area attractive for swimming, kayaking, paddleboarding, and other water activities. Housing in this part of eastern Prince Edward Island remains more affordable than in many larger Canadian cities. While prices vary depending on proximity to the waterfront, condition, and property size, detached homes in nearby rural communities often sell for between $400,000 and $600,000. Waterfront properties and newer vacation homes can sell for considerably more. Although Lakeside Beach remains a quiet destination, it reflects many of the qualities that define Prince Edward Island as a whole. Its combination of natural beauty, rich history, productive farmland, and thriving fisheries continues to attract visitors from across Canada and around the world. for watching!